Dr. Swati Tripathi is actually now the Director Marketing Safite, and they are having, you can say, already made a global benchmark for many comparative studies, and they have spread across the disease segment. They are working on the diagnostic stewardship program, and Safite Marks is present in infectious disease, hospital-acquired infection, oncology, virology, respiratory, and women health portfolios. As a person, Dr. Swati Tripathi is an ex-army officer and a dental surgeon by profession. Dr. Swati has a people-first mindset. She is known to put her team ahead and a zeal of bringing the best out of them. Very passionate about designing solutions and value proposition. And her driving force is pride in India among the Safite members and a passion to make a difference to its people in a small way. Dr. Swati Tripathi now will address, and of course, it is our privilege to have Safite as our academic partner. Thank you, Dr. Swati.
Thank you, Dr. Shankar. This, in fact, is our privilege and our pleasure to be associated with CAHO. And thank you so much for this opportunity to talk in this forum. And I must already thank all the faculty members for the great content that has come up very, very well. So thank you so much for that. I think I will take, I'll first thing, I'm diverting from the talking points that I had, but I will assure Dr. Dilip Mathai that, some of the points that he was mentioning, we've noted it down and we'll take as many as possible, in refining our program or coming up with something new. One point that he made that these things, the AMSP should be in medical curriculum is actually something very important and should be taken up by many more. This will make a great impact. Now I'll come to AMR, and we all know that AMR can probably be called silent pandemic of this era of right now, and we all know of importance of being judicious in choosing right antibiotics versus use of broad spectrum antibiotics empirically. Now, this is especially important when MDR and XDR organisms are growing, and there are very limited options for treatment. In fact, this was something that this was touching Dr. Vijay when you mentioned the quote from Dr. Balki about limited option of treatment, and how even if I go to the hospital, I would want for the effective treatment for my loved ones. So that is something which we all will look at, and therefore it becomes imperative now, or I'll say incumbent on us, to use right diagnostics to optimize the antibiotic uses as well as other programmatic themes that we have in AMSP. Now, why write diagnostic? So that we can optimize the antibiotic uses, and this is then a must to increase the longevity of newer and novel antibiotics. If I was to talk about Cepheid, globally Cepheid has made efforts to bring innovative solutions in molecular diagnostic to combat antimicrobial resistance with its rapid and accurate molecular diagnostic test on GeneXpert platform. However, what I will like to say here is that while test for CARBA-R, MRSA, VRE might be obvious, candidates to talk about, I'll also like to mention that syndromic panels such as 4plex Plus, which has COVID and flu RSV testing, can also be useful as they help in rapid diagnosis of the cause of the infection and therefore lead us to the right treatment. And it can be done within minutes. So therefore, it can have a huge role in preserving the antibiotics and avoiding antibiotics when it is not needed. So this, since I told you that I was attending the program as well, where I heard all the faculty members, and thank you so much. I think no one could have put it better than Dr. Warrior and Dr. Subhranshu when they mentioned that through their talk that the benefit of antimicrobial stewardship program can actually far exceed the cost of the diagnostic test that it is, that is there. For everyone, their diagnostic stewardship talk is a must to hear. And one more point then I will like to make is that we can actually take, and this is I'm reading out because I was taking notes when when their session was going on, that the cost of overall solution also can be kept in mind. We can look at the turnaround time, ease of use, etc., and therefore looking at the right diagnosis to reach right treatment. With this, I'd like to say that we at Cepheid are very proud to be associated with CAHO in this important initiative that they have taken up for antimicrobial stewardship. My pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of Cepheid once more. Thank you so much, Dr. Shankar.
Thank you very much, Dr. Swati. Really look forward to your support in the coming days and really excited that you could partner with us and the kind of support provided by you and your entire team at Cepheid.